All right, good morning, guys. Good morning, traders. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Joseph, and welcome to PIPSFX Academy. All right, in case you are just meeting me for the first time, please subscribe to this channel, click the notification bell, and also follow us for more trade content. I do come here every morning to share my trade analysis with you, with the community, my signals, and what I'm looking out for the day. Since last week, we have been taking profit back to back, and I saw something in the market this morning. I have been, you know, observing this setup, and I think it's about time I share it with the community so that whoever that is trading GBPJPY, GBPUSD can be looking out for uh, a setup around this end. All right. So let me share my screen with you, and then we'll take it from there. Okay. Let me share my screen with you. I hope you guys are seeing my screen. All right. So if you have been following me for some time now, you know how I trade. My strategy is very simple. I come to the 4 hours time frame, a change of character or the last break of structure. Okay. And if you can see, we have a change of character here, or a failure swing, a change of character here, and the market dropped to the downside, indicating a downtrend for GBP USD for today. So we go to the 30 minutes time frame, zoom down to the 30 minutes time frame. What are we looking for? We are looking for our trading window. You know, if you have been following me for, I don't trade up until 7 a.m. in the morning. Okay. And what are we looking for on 7 a.m.? By 7 a.m. in the morning, what are we looking for as our trade content, our setup, our conferences before we enter the trade? So first of all, we want to see a liquidity sweep. Right now, what you're seeing here is a liquidity sweep above the Asian range liquidity. If you have been trading for some time, you know that Asian range liquidity has the highest liquidity in the market in the morning, especially for London session. So the market has swept liquidity above Asian range liquidity. And what are we looking for? Just two things: sweep of liquidity above Asian range and a close of a reversal candle or a bearish candle for a downtrend and a bullish candle for an uptrend below the moving average. So what are we seeing here currently? We have seen that the market has swept liquidity above Asian range, right? So the next thing that we are waiting for is for this candle for a close below this moving average. As soon as it closes below the moving average, that's our signal to enter the market. Then we can then zoom down to the 15 minutes time frame and look for the most recent fair value gap. That's where we're going to place our entry, stop loss above the liquidity sweep origin, and then we target 1:3. As simple as that. Guys, if you can stick to this strategy, you will pack out so much money from the forex market. Your strategy does not have to be complex for it to be profitable. As a matter of fact, the more simpler your strategy is, the easier it becomes for you to execute the strategy. And the more you execute your strategy accurately, the more profitable you will become in the forex market. All right. So this is what we are looking for: a close below the moving average, and then tap into a fair value, and then we drop. So this is what we are looking for. Something like this is what we should be looking for GBP USD. So we enter from this point, stop. I told you the stop loss above the liquidity sweep. Okay. And risks to reward. If you can just stick to this strategy and stick to this trading pattern, guys, you are okay in it. As simple as this is what has been making me money back to back. All right. So let's go to GBPJPY. Let's see what GBPJPY has for us. The same thing. We come again on GBPJPY. You know, go to the 4 hours time frame, and then what do we see? GBPJPY has broke structure to the downside. Okay, have a break of structure to the downside. This is the origin. This is the origin for GBPJPY, the origin that broke the structure. GBPJPY retraced again, went down to the 30 minutes time frame, and what are we looking for? We are looking for a liquidity sweep You see, the market has not swept liquidity. The only reason the market has closed below the moving average. But my problem with GBPJPY is that it liquidity. There's no liquidity sweep here. There's no liquidity sweep here. And if you click the Asian range liquidity indicator, you see that Asian range liquidity has not yet been taken. So there is high chances and probability that GBPJPY is going to rally up again, take out this liquidity before collapsing, probably around New York session. Okay, so the reason why I'm not going to enter this trade for GBPJPY is because I have seen all of my confluences have not yet played out. I have only seen a candle close below the moving average, but I have not yet seen liquidity sweep. Guys, until liquidity sweep happen and a candle close below the moving average, we don't have a trade. Okay, if one happened and another did not happen, we do not have a trade. So make sure you are patient enough to wait for these two things to happen in the market, especially by 7 a.m. in the morning. Okay, around 7 a.m. in the morning up onto New York session. So if you don't have a liquidity sweep and a candle close below or above the moving average during the London session, we do not have a trade for that pair for that day. So for now, is on pending. Okay, if the market comes back up and sweep liquidity, then we are going to have a trade. If the market did not sweep liquidity, then we do not trade GBP JPY for today. So I think for today all we have is GBPUSD. Let's focus more on GBPUSD because GBPUSD has almost fulfilled is almost coming to the point of fulfilling all our confluences. Liquidity has been taken out. The only thing that we are waiting for now is a candle close below the moving average, and then we look for entry. So guys, that's it for today. That's all I have for you. Make sure you follow and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and make sure you follow us every single day. Come here every single day in the morning. We analyze our chart. And also, guys, please follow us on our Telegram channel, okay? Because as soon as the market closes below here, I'm sending the signal on the Telegram channel. You don't have to pay anything. Just come, join the Telegram channel, and make money with us. All right? God bless you, and see you again tomorrow. Okay.